Join me as I dive into the world of flight attendants and challenge myself to uncover their best-kept travel secrets that you absolutely need to know. Flight attendants are the ultimate travel experts. Having spent years navigating the complexities of the travel world, they've learned a thing or two about how to make the most of their journeys, and today we're going to tap into that expertise. Traveling can be a daunting task, especially when it comes to booking flights and accommodations. Many of us have experienced the frustration of trying to find the best deals, only to end up with a subpar option that breaks the bank. High costs and complicated booking processes are just a few of the common challenges travelers face. From hidden fees to limited availability, it's easy to get caught up in the chaos of travel planning. Complicated booking processes can be overwhelming, with countless options and variables to consider. This can lead to hours of research, only to still feel uncertain about the best choice. Travelers often find themselves stuck in a cycle of comparing prices and amenities, never quite sure if they're making the right decision. The stress of travel planning can be a major deterrent, causing some to put off or even cancel their trips altogether. The costs associated with travel can be a significant burden, with expenses adding up quickly. From flights and accommodations to food and activities, the total cost of a trip can be staggering. Many travelers struggle to stay within their budget, often having to make sacrifices in order to afford their journey. This can lead to a less than ideal travel experience, with travelers feeling forced to cut corners in order to make ends meet. The financial strain of travel can be a major source of anxiety, causing travelers to worry about the impact on their bank account. This can take a toll on the overall travel experience, making it difficult to fully enjoy the journey. Travelers may find themselves constantly stressing about money, rather than being able to relax and take in the sights and sounds of their destination. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing content. Flight attendants have learned a few tricks to make travel more efficient and cost-effective. One of their favorite hacks is to use specific booking platforms that offer exclusive deals and discounts. They also swear by certain travel apps that help them navigate unfamiliar airports and find the best local amenities. By using these tools, travelers can unlock hidden savings and make the most of their journey. Some flight attendants recommend booking flights at specific times to get the best deals. They also know how to use travel rewards programs to their advantage, accumulating points and miles that can be redeemed for free flights and upgrades. Additionally, they're experts at finding affordable accommodations, from budget-friendly hotels to cozy vacation rentals. By following in their footsteps, travelers can save money and enjoy a more comfortable journey. Flight attendants are also masters at packing light, knowing exactly what to bring and how to make the most of their luggage space. They've learned how to avoid unnecessary checked bags, saving time and money in the process. They're also skilled at navigating airport security, knowing the best ways to speed through checkpoints and arrive at their gate with plenty of time to spare. One of the most valuable tips that flight attendants swear by is flexibility. Being open to different travel dates, destinations, and itineraries can make all the difference in finding the best deals. They've learned to be spontaneous, taking advantage of last-minute sales and unexpected discounts. By being flexible, travelers can unlock a world of possibilities, from cheap flights to luxury upgrades. The most valuable tip that can significantly change how viewers approach their travel plans is to be proactive. Rather than waiting for deals to come to them, travelers should take the initiative to seek out savings and discounts. This can involve signing up for travel newsletters, following airlines on social media, and using online tools to track prices and find the best options. By being proactive, travelers can take control of their travel plans and make the most of their journey. Being proactive also means being informed, staying up to date on the latest travel trends and industry news. Flight attendants are always in the know, from new airline routes to changes in travel regulations. By staying informed, travelers can make smarter decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. This can make all the difference in the success of their trip, allowing them to relax and enjoy the journey. Travelers who are proactive and flexible can unlock a world of possibilities, from affordable flights to luxury accommodations. They can take advantage of last-minute deals, unexpected discounts, and exclusive offers. By being in the know, they can make the most of their journey, enjoying a more comfortable and enjoyable travel experience. The key to successful travel is to be proactive, flexible, and informed. By following in the footsteps of flight attendants, travelers can unlock the secrets of the travel world and make the most of their journey. From booking hacks to travel apps, there are countless tools and strategies that can help travelers save money and enjoy a more comfortable journey. If you've got your own travel tips and tricks, be sure to share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to like and smash the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon for more travel-related content, from destination guides to product reviews.